Welcome to Digital Learn Lab. Thank you for choosing to join us today for the Django tutorial video series. Today, we will discuss the Django framework, its advantages, disadvantages, companies using Django, the future of Django, and the salary of Django developers. Let's start with the introduction to Django. First, we will discuss what is Django framework. Django is a high-level web framework that allows developers to quickly and efficiently build web applications using the Python programming language. It follows the model view controller architectural pattern and emphasizes the don't repeat yourself principle, promoting code reusability and simplicity. Django provides a strong community and a helpful website. Django, you can visit the official Django website at www.djangoproject.com. For more details, Django next section is Django advantages and disadvantages. Now, let's move on to the advantages of Django. First is efficiency. Django provides pre-built components, libraries, and tools that help developers write code faster and more efficiently. It saves time by offering solutions to common web development challenges. Second is structure and organization. Django provides a structured approach to development, enforcing best practices and design patterns. This ensures consistency across the codebase and facilitates collaboration among multiple developers. Third is security. Django comes with built-in security features, protecting against common web vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting and cross-site request forgery. These features enhance the security of your web application. Fourth is batteries included. Django includes a rich set of built-in features and libraries, such as an ORM for database handling, an admin interface, form handling, and URL routing. This reduces the need for external dependencies and simplifies the development process. Fifth is rapid development. Django's focus on simplicity and efficiency allows developers to quickly prototype and build web applications. Its convention over configuration approach eliminates unnecessary boilerplate code, resulting in faster development cycles. Sixth is community and ecosystem. Django has a large and active community of developers, providing abundant resources, tutorials, and packages. This community support makes it easier to find solutions to problems and encourages the sharing of best practices. That's all. Now, let's discuss the disadvantages of Django. First is learning curve. Django is built using the Python programming language, which may require some time to learn for developers who are not familiar with Python. The syntax and concepts of Django can be challenging for amateur developers. Second is request processing. Django is designed to handle individual processes and may struggle with multiple requests simultaneously. This can lead to longer processing times when dealing with a high volume of requests. Third is lack of conventions. Unlike some other frameworks, Django doesn't have strict conventions or rules to follow. This lack of convention can make it challenging for developers to match components and may impact the development speed of an application. Fourth is small project support. Django offers advanced features that may not be necessary for smaller projects. The complexity of Django's coding structure can introduce unnecessary processing time, which is not ideal for smaller projects that don't require scalability. Fifth is complex URL routing. Simplifying the syntax of URLs can be a complicated process in Django. The URL routing must be specified for every view using regular expressions, which can lead to long and complex URL structures. Now, let's talk about the companies using Django. Many prominent companies use Django for their web applications. Some examples include Instagram, Spotify, Pinterest, NASA, and Eventbrite. These companies rely on Django's capabilities to build robust and scalable web applications. That's all. If you have any further questions or comments, please feel free to reach out to us through our website or leave a comment below the video. Next, we will discuss moving on to the future of Django. Django has a bright future ahead. It has been around for over a decade, and its popularity and adoption continue to grow. The Django community actively maintains and updates the framework, ensuring its compatibility with new Python versions and web development trends. Django's versatility, scalability, and focus on developer productivity position it well for the future of web development. That's all. Now, let's discuss the salary of Django developers. The salary of Django developers can vary based on several factors, including their experience, location, and the specific job market. Salaries can also vary between countries and regions. As an example, in the United States, the salary range for Django developers can be between $90,000 and $125,000 per year. That's all. Thank you for joining us today for this Django tutorial. We hope you found this information helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials in our series. We look forward to assisting you further in your Django journey.